If your team is moving SaaS data into a database, you know the pain. Broken pipelines, schema changes, scripts nobody wants to touch. DBSync Cloud Replication fixes all of it. One platform, zero code, self-healing pipelines. What we will show you today is SaaS data and database replication to other databases and popular data lakes. Here's the reality most IT teams are living with. A SaaS admin adds a new custom field, and your pipeline breaks silently overnight. By morning, analysts are staring at stale data, and nobody knows why. On top of that, you've got multiple scripts, one per object, each written differently, each a unique point of failure. No alerts, no guardrails, no automatic recovery. And underneath it all, a compliance risk from unmanaged scripts with no audit trails and no encryption. That's exactly what DBSync was built to eliminate. DBSync Cloud Replication handles the entire pipeline: extract, schema management, transform, and load from SaaS data into the database. When a new SaaS app custom field appears, DBSync detects it and issues the alter table in the target database automatically. No human in the loop. Setup is point and click. No SQL, no Python, no ETL frameworks. Incremental sync means only the changed records move on each run, and you can schedule to run it frequently or choose real-time CDC options. Let me paint two pictures. Without DBSync, a custom field gets added on Friday. Your pipeline crashes overnight. The team finds out on Monday morning. Someone spends the day writing a patch. The data gap never fully recovers. With DBSync, the same field gets added. DBSync detects the schema change on the next run, issues the alter table automatically, and replication continues, without a single alert, a single script, or a single lost record. DBAs using DBSync say the same thing. They stopped worrying about the pipeline. That's what this platform delivers. Here's how data moves through DBSync. The engine runs 5 stages. Extract from SaaS app via bulk or REST API. Track the last sync timestamp so only changed records move. Evaluate the schema difference and auto-generate any alter table statements needed. Apply type mapping and transformations. Then bulk load into the target database via insert or upsert. Your target database tables stay perfectly in sync, and no existing column is ever removed, so historical data is always preserved. Getting live takes 5 steps and under an hour. Connect SaaS app, 5 minutes. Connect database, 5 minutes. Select your objects from the UI, 10 minutes. Click Update Schema. DBSync creates all the tables in the target database automatically, then run a clean copy for the initial load, in 20 minutes. Finally, set your incremental sync schedule, 5 minutes. That's it. No code written, no infrastructure was stood up. Here on the DBSync home screen, we begin by creating a new profile for syncing data from Dynamics 365 into SQL Server. On the source side, we connect to Dynamics 365. After the connection is saved, make sure to validate the connection. Now we move to the Database tab. We have set up SQL Server as the destination. We enter and save all the required details like host, port, database, and validate the connection to make sure everything is working fine. Next, moving into object selection, we choose the required object, and all fields are loaded instantly. From here, you can control what flows through using include or exclude options. For sensitive data, masking can be applied directly, ensuring protected fields are handled securely during replication. You can choose the field to mask, and there are multiple masking types available to choose from. Further save the changes. For the initial load, we run a clean copy, bringing the full dataset into SQL Server. Let's modify a record on D365 and save the changes. Once the baseline is established, incremental sync ensures only changes from the source are picked up and applied. Now let's see how updates flow from the source to the target upon running incremental sync. The record modified on Dynamics 365 should now reflect on our target database. And as you can see, the updated data is now present in SQL Server, accurately synced and continuously updated from Dynamics 365. The results from DBSync customers are clear. A 70% reduction in manual data entry, a 40% improvement in data accuracy, and teams getting back roughly a quarter of their developer time every year. One customer put it simply, "We stabilized our SaaS app sync, recovered the cost on day one, and redirected our time to higher value work." To see it yourself, visit the DBSync Replication Playground for a live no-download demo, book a walkthrough at mydbsync.com, or explore the full technical docs at docs.mydbsync.com. One pipeline, zero headaches. Your team is sleeping soundly. That's DBSync.